morning from a grey and overcast London. Today I'm off to go visit the HMS Belfast. That's the really big naval ship that's docked right in front of Tower Bridge, so always wanted to go and happy to have been invited and given the opportunity. It's actually an extension of the Imperial War Museum, which you can visit in South London. It's also really worth a visit. Love going there myself every once in a while, and yeah, excited to see what this day is all about. London's an amazing city for walking. I try to walk everywhere I go. Reason being, keeps me really active, and it's great to take in your surroundings along the way. And yeah, that also makes for some really great B-roll. Just made it to London Bridge, and right over there is the HMS Belfast. That's where we're headed. So this composition right here I've shot numerous times, usually at sunrise actually, and if you head over to my Instagram feed you should see it appear ever so often. Just busy boarding the ship, and there's one composition I really want to show you, which would be amazing on a really great day weather-wise, but today I don't think it's worth taking the shot. Check it out. I was really hoping for a much better weather day, because love this foreground, and Tower Bridge behind it just looks awesome. And usually we take the photos from over here, so this could have been a refreshing new angle, and I think with landscape shots it's always good to have some interest in the foreground and a nice background to match. So yeah, I might take the photo anyway, and let's see what happens. Can't really go wrong. Joined here by Dave Bird, founder of At London.
How you doing, guys?
Lying low on the floor, what's caught your eye?
It's just, yeah, we're on the HMS Belfast, and I like getting down low and shooting up high because you get amazing long leading lines, so I'm just trying to wait for some people to clear my shot.
Wonder who that could be?
Just lying down on the job. So, here we go, the magic moment. There you go. I'm done. Sold. See you later.
Found a spot where I want to take the thumbnail for the video from. Got the HMS Belfast right here, and Tower Bridge in the background as well, and just facing the ship straight on would make a really great intro, and really sets the scene for the video that I've been shooting the whole time. Ordinarily I would never shoot in this kind of weather because midday light's usually a little bit more boring, and of course the weather today is really not the best for photos, but just wanted to get that thumbnail anyway. And I want to talk to you guys about how to make the best of poor weather, which London has quite often with the grey weather. So for this shot what I'm going to try to do is use my ND filter and just get a long exposure, get the water really smooth, and maybe with a cloud movement remove the texture out of the sky as well. And then from there I'm hoping that only the subject stands out really firmly, and the best kind of photos to take in this kind of light when it's grey is black and white photos, because you get a maximum contrast, and through a good edit you can make the subject really stand out. Let's check it out. And that marks the end of the vlog. Hope you enjoyed watching, and if you did, be sure to like, comment and subscribe. See you in the next one.